Goes up, flattens out,
Yeah,
lays down,
I can
and
drive it as a convertible.
I don't know.
I bet this goes down
Oh.
the side here, and that front top
I bet
there
this
maybe
comes all the
goes
way
in
back.
the-
I think this comes all the way back
And
and
then
sits
this
in there.
comes down.
Yeah, that would make sense because you got padding right here for it to sit on. You wouldn't want to get caught in the middle of it somewhere, probably going through there, would you?
I don't know. That looks like a lot of work.
Yeah, but you imagine trying to get parts for that right now? Because I've never seen one. There's a lot of work going on there. TC pen.
There's a small one in there.
Got a little one.
Yeah.
A dog in the
He's
front
like,
seat.
did you forget me? See, I made the cover.
It was nice and quiet until you woke him up. You just had to wake him up. You woke him up.
Well, I was checking out the car seat. He was in a car seat.
Ooh.
I know, pretty fancy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That'd be so easy to work on the front end of that. But you see the ball joints and all that shit right here. Suspension.
Those should normally be straight across instead of bent up. That's how one way he lowered it down.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I don't think he heated them. They probably came down. I mean, bottom that way, but. All red.
Our air went out, and Jamie had a windy unit, and it was like a weed removed so they could get the part in. So when Jamie had a windy unit, and we put it in our bedroom and kept the door closed. Well, eventually we moved to Andy and Robbie's house, and Brandon and Bryson lived at our house with no AC. I don't like to be super hot or super cold, but I can handle hot better than I can cold. I don't like the hot.
It'd be hard to get up in there. Spoiled rotten, it says. The tag said spoiled rotten.
Orange. Yeah. Or red orange.
Right there.
They got a license plate. Look at the rims too. Mm-hmm. Yeah. They're supposed to, but I don't remember something to do with the suspension. I think. No, maybe that's because it's lower down. Because this one's not.
What they did,
Dukes of Hazzard.
I will. Thank you.
Ain't that something?
Mm-hmm. With your air compressor tank. Airbags to raise it up. Gas tank.
These tires are huge.
Mm-hmm.
Tires are huge. Why?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you kind of lose your truck bed when you do that.
I told Jamie, we can't go get one of these. We lose our parking spot. She took the car so down the state. Remember after the moms we bought that woman told us how to steak and had to give it back to her?
Nice color.
Yeah. So this one. It's a modified wagon, I guess.
Yeah.
Mom's gonna do that.
Yeah, I can ride in phone.
Oh look, they saw her take them together.
I can sit in it. I'm not sitting. And then Dad's gonna put a motor on it. And ride
It's like somebody started to bond to it and then they
Mm-hmm.
quit.
What'd you say?
Classified as a pickup for some reason. I don't know why. It's not a pickup. Pierogi. Huh?
Truck there looks pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've ever seen something like that before
Motor's in the middle of it, behind the cab.
There's what?
Motor's behind the cab. I guess that's the way it comes, I guess. I don't know. I don't know if that's stock or not.
I swear we've seen 10 trucks like that.
Huh?
I think we've probably seen 10 trucks like that.
You haven't seen 10?
I think we have.
Oh, yeah.
Seems like it.
So it's always kind of the same years that they do. The square body Chevys are popular.
Oh, I've been looking.
Seen that one yesterday.
So is C10 like an S10 kind of? S10's Ford, right?
No, that's Chevy. That's Chevy truck.
I know, but S10 is a
C10.
Ford, right?
Yeah. C10 is. See, when they got them newer, they went from 1500, 25 to 3/4 or 35.
Yeah, they don't have that anymore, right? In Chevy? It's not called C10 now.
No.
Is
They stopped that in the 70s, I believe. That one was a little bit.
He bought rims for it.
We right here at the center of downtown. Yeah, we right down here at the center of Myrtle Beach down here with this big open. Yeah, I want that. The place that I'm looking for. Yeah, I want those talking about. I want that comment.
Where did he go? He just took his left. He got out of Dodge.
I know.
That's a self-explanatory. I mean, computer does everything. Yeah, do everything. Run the wire, no one does everything. Scan, Google on everything.
That's a Cutlass, isn't it?
76 or 77, I think. For sale, for sale, for sale.
A lot of cars down there for sale.
I guess these aren't marked though.
You guess what?
I guess these line. I thought they were all marked. I guess maybe the ones on a certain area, maybe it. I guess. White. That was pretty.
Then again, I've been praying for no breakdowns too.
You've been comparing.
I've been trying to. Hey, stuff like
Some of them do. I mean, there's a lot of spots you got to paint when you paint one.
Okay, what else?
Just saying, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Who said that?
You.
I didn't say that.
Huh?
It's like a brownish color.
Yeah. Yeah. And then lanes go all different directions over here. Yeah.
And this is the section. Right, there's some picnic tables we found yesterday.
The what?
I said, right there's the picnic tables we couldn't find yesterday when we were looking.
Yeah, I think that's the picnic tables. Seven. Fancy.
Juicy 55. Someone's got some kids in a car seat.
Oh. Thunderbird.
Look at her. Billy, look at her.
Yeah, it'd be right up my brother's alley.
Oh, 4x4 or Jeep or Blazer?
Bronco,
Yeah.
something like that. Big
Blazer,
right up
yeah.
off the ground. Not a lot.
with the teal interior.
Yeah, it was next Friday. Okay, good.
Now that was good. That was good of the year.
Work. Hey, sure. Oh, speakers. Yeah, I didn't see the speakers.
Now where's the movie?
Purple. There's another Chevy. Could have bought it brand new for $6,000 when it come out. Can't now though. Yeah, that's the factory sticker off of it.
$6,000.
Yeah. Well, almost 8.
Yeah.
You couldn't buy one for 8 now, but. See, if you're smart back then, you buy a bunch of them, put them in storage somewhere, and sell them later. I guess. I don't know.
Back then, that was a lot of money, though.
Yeah. El Gringo. Haha.
About half.
You know, like now, cars cost a lot more than that, and that's a lot of money.
Yep.
New Jersey.
There's some of them that bought them, put them in storage and stuff like that.
Oh, sure.
There's a wagon.
This color's so good together.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like a lot of fancy chrome on the engine on that one.
Mm-hmm.
Tricycle.
I know. Those are kind of popular in some areas where they build them where they look like a motorcycle, the high handlebars and stuff. Yeah, it's warming up.
I know, something smells good.
Dang it. It's only 10. A lot of work to do that thing. It's a lot of work.
Insufficient storage. Shooting stopped.
Mm-hmm.
There is 3 seats in here. It's a third row.
I think all of it lays flat, I think.
I bet it does. So you can sleep in the back.
Got plenty of room. Looks like leg room. Be weird driving that sitting right up on the front of it.
Yeah, if you did something, sure.
There's another one.
Is that over there?
Yeah. It didn't last long.
The battery died?
No, memory card. Those aren't very big. They ain't gonna last long anyway. No pizza today.
No pizza?
No pizza today. I mean, that wasn't bad. I mean, it was kind of, to me, it was kind of sweet. I'd add a little
It
salt.
was
Add,
alright. It was better than another hot dog.
yeah.
And we got a beer. And to sit down.
Alright, I guess we can go. I don't have to do that. I can do this while I'm walking.
Not get grease on it.
Hey. Yeah, I was gonna see if I could.
See that?
Change the settings on the. Oh, wow, subscribe. Where the hell's it at? Oh well. Okay.
Start recording.
say sit down for a little bit?
You want to?
Want to? Hungry?
I'm not really hungry. Are you
Huh?
hungry? I mean, that smells good.
The what?
I said it smells good, but I'm not really hungry.
Okay.
Do you want something?
Maybe. Let me get a picture of this. Huh?
I guess it depends on what we find over here to eat. But you can get something to eat if you want.
Purple.
Oh yeah, firework, don't touch the car.
Yep, don't touch it.
Must have been what it looked like at one time.
When I got it, I guess. I mean, it's nice if you got a shop, you can put all that stuff in there and not have to take it out, in and out, and all that stuff. I seen one yesterday, but I don't. That might have been it. Bus. I guess. I don't know what that line's for. If that's for food or what that is.
Construction always there.
Well, one of these had something to do with pictures. I mean, like $130 for pictures. I don't know if it's your picture with a car or.
That's the radio station there.
There wasn't nobody here a minute ago.
I know, whatever it is, it's a long line. There's the Ghostbusters.
Huh?
The Ghostbusters.
Oh. Okay. Another one.